Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your WIEPPO S5, for the first you have to open the notification bar on both devices, tap on the Bluetooth icon, and right now just click and hold and just wait until it detects our device that we want to connect. You can also click and hold on our WIEPPO like I did on the Huawei to enter this Bluetooth settings, and here we got my Huawei P30 Pro, so we can just simply tap on it to connect, and also WIEPPO shows on this Huawei, so let's tap on it one more time, accept the pair on both devices, and as you can see right now they are in the paired devices, so we can easily send data, photos, messages, whatever you want. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.